In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the nightcap backpacking tent. This is the single layer tent. It's small, compact, lightweight, very lightweight. It's waterproof in heavy rain, and it's pretty easy to set up. So let's get started. These are the poles. There's 2 sets of poles that it comes with. I like these poles. They connect really easily like that. They almost just go right together by themselves. One pole, set it to the side. Pole number 2. So here's the tent. It's made out of thick, waterproof material. So this is great for heavy rain. Ooh, there's the cat. One pole will go through here, and the other pole goes through here. So here, take pole number 1 and slide it in. See it come out here. You want to make sure it comes across into the next one. Don't tug it too hard. Go pull it apart. I kind of like to just gently fish it through like this. You can also come back here from behind, kind of push it through. Helps kind of shake it sometimes. Just kind of have an even amount sticking out of each side. Push it on through that sleeve, tuck it in the next sleeve in a crisscross fashion. Now, one thing, very important, you want to make sure the top pole, the pole that's on the top, that's the one you want to hook in to the grommets first. Now we can hook each of the 4 corners into the grommet, starting with the pole that is on the top first. Just like that. We go to this side. Remember, top pole first. Just like this. And boom. Move it around. Whatever I want with it. Now I'll show you some of the features. Here's the door. I like that the door has Velcro and is covered so it keeps the rain out. Look at that. Tuck these up on the side. You want to tie this to the top here. There we go. See, it makes it a little more taut. This is the rain fly that protects the screen here. I like this door. See, look at this. Pretty roomy in here. Hey, night cat. So as you can see, here's one sleeping pad. It's pretty roomy. Got your backpacking backpack there. It's kind of a tight squeeze, but I mean, really. You can actually fit 2 sleeping pads in here. So that means another me could sleep next to me. Hey. This tent comes with 4 guy lines that you can use to secure the tent in windy conditions. Attach the guy line to the tent with a simple half hitch. Make a loop, put the loop through the tent loop, and then pull everything through the loop. Pull the entire line, including the little plastic piece. And this will make a simple half hitch that is very strong and one of my favorite knots. To tighten, pull on the part of the line that is opposite of the little knot in the plastic piece. You can tighten or loosen very easily. So you want to cinch this up, and this big loop is where you're going to put your stake through to secure it. Then simply take one of your stakes and stick it through the loop. So here is your guy line that can easily be loosened or tightened, and this will secure your tent in the wind. To take the guy line off, unhook it from the stake, and this half hitch knot is very easy to take out. You can even do it with one hand. Very simple knot and very secure. And that's it. Simple as that. To take down the tent, pull it out of the grommet. Start with the bottom pole. You can see it's already starting to come down. It's that easy. Push the stakes on through to the other side. There's one. Easy peasy. Once you have the stakes out, just fold it up real small. Roll it up as tight as you can. Get the air out. Comes with this tie that helps. So there you go. There it is. This backpacking tent is pretty sweet. It's affordable, it's compact, it's lightweight, it's waterproof in heavy rain, easy to set up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.